Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this cupcake. I love this idea and I'm going to definitely be making more. I posted this little sneak peek yesterday and you all loved it. So I'm going to share with you how I made it. I made it using mostly all Dollar Tree items, but without further ado, let's get started. For the base of the cupcake, I'm going to use this ceramic planter that I just happen to have on hand, and I'm going to take this cameo pink paint by Apple Barrel, and I'm going to paint it and set it aside to dry. Now don't leave yet. Dollar Tree does carry tons of planters, but this one, as soon as I saw it, you guys, I just said cupcake. That was it. So I had it set aside for this project. But once we're done painting it and it's dry, I'm going to take this foam pumpkin as a base for the frosting. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply hot glue onto the foam pumpkin and we're going to set it on top. And after you place your pumpkin, you might notice there's a few gaps. Go ahead with your hot glue gun again and just apply more hot glue there. And I forgot to mention that if you'd like to add weight on your cupcakes, be sure to add some stones or rocks or even sand inside the planter. Mine was ceramic, so already it's pretty heavy already, but if you need to add some rocks, go ahead and do so. Now we're going to take this insulating foam spray I got from Walmart. It was like $3.80. And you guys, nobody warns you. I mean, I've seen so many DIYs with this foam spray, but nobody warns you how sticky and gross this stuff is. Just make sure you spray your can. And what happened with mine is that it kind of burst out super fast, the first part. There it is. And I ended up holding it with my hand. I mean, I left this in the video so you can see, but it is sticky and it's disgusting. It's not a good feeling. So what I ended up doing is I went ahead and put on some gloves and I just continued on with the project. And so I laid it down and just worked parts at a time. And eventually you can just have it standing up, but you can just have it laying down because gravity does do its thing and it starts to slide down, which you could reform with your hand later on. But rewatching this video, I feel like if you work with sections at a time, it's probably much easier. But it worked for me. I mean, you can just do the entire thing and then yes, it's going to be going downwards a little bit, but you can go ahead and just readjust it with a knife until it hardens a little bit where you can hold it and reform it, if that makes any sense, you guys. But here I am just kind of fixing it a little bit with a plastic knife. I just realized you can use the same method and actually make like ice cream, like a sundae, and just add paint on top. But anyway, we're moving on with the cupcake. I'm going to take white paint by Apple Barrel and I'm going to paint the entire frosting part, or you can go ahead and spray paint it. Now I'm just taking some random fun colors for the sprinkles on the cupcake, and for the cherry on top, I'm going to take this small mini ornament from Dollar Tree. So basically everything in this video is from Dollar Tree except for the foam spray, the insulating spray, and the planter, which you can find one at Dollar Tree. Now for the little I don't know what these are called, but there are other sprinkles, the puffy ones. I use those glitter foam balls and I just cut it in half and I just place it on top using hot glue. And for this part, of course, it's going to be different. Just use what you have on hand. And like I always say, just take the idea and make it your own. Here I just happen to have like mini pearls, so I ended up just wrapping that around the cupcake. And here's the final product. I definitely love the way it turned out. And the cool idea with this is that you can make different sizes. If you want to make a huge cupcake for your yard, maybe, you can use the same idea, just have like a bigger planter or make something small. So I definitely love the way this turned out and I love the pink pop of color. It's definitely fun and I'm going to make other things with this foam spray, definitely. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.